Hello everybody, this is going to be a video of a Kichler 52-inch Canfield in white. I got this off of 1930s Original Fan Collector off of eBay. And for pretty cheap too, so yeah. I'd say this is one of the better modern fans out there, because they still make these actually. I don't know the history on Kichler. I don't know how old it is or anything like that. So, yeah. But it's probably relatively new. But anyways, again, 52 inches. And everything you see on it is original, down to this pull chain fob. He shipped that with it. It does show some signs of cosmetic wear. But I doubt that was from shipping. Like, on this blade right here, and maybe on another one of the blades. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, that was from something else, because they were all packed extremely well. But yeah. I first heard about Kichler, or really saw it, on Cole Semenko's channel, Vintage Fans and More. And it wasn't really like something I paid too much attention to. But I just randomly came across a listing of 3 of these, and like on eBay, and decided, hey, it looks kind of cool, so why the heck not get one with my current funds laying around. So here we are. Got it for pretty cheap too, so yeah. These cost roughly $100 brand new today. I really do prefer pull chain operated fans, because they're really old style and they're pretty cool. I'm not interested in the ones, like in the fans that use primarily remote control these days. They're just not my thing. Go to medium. That's not high. Surprisingly, for the giant motor size, 172 by something, because this is a pretty thick motor, it's surprisingly very quiet. And it moves a lot of air too. There is full speed. I did decide to make an unboxing video on this fan, but I just decided that it wasn't that good, so I deleted it. I actually have another fan on the way that I'm also going to do an unboxing video on, but this time I'll try and, like, you know, make it good, so I don't make the decision of just rewatching it and then thinking, damn, that sucked, and just letting it disappear into the ether. On high speed, this fan moves pretty quickly for a 52-incher. I'd say this is about as fast as the 2 Emerson Premiums that I have. So, yeah, and with that longer down rod, it has a massive advantage in air movement. Alright, that'll be it for this one, folks. Happy trails.